Because Bob's taking a picture too.
What else is in the box? What else? Oh, I see a train track is in the box. Do you need help? Help. Help. Good talking, Jack. There you go.
Ooh. You fishy?
Oh, what else is in the box? Ball is in the box. Yeah. Ball. Wow. It's a beach ball. Beach ball.
Yeah.
That's my son is playing in the box.
I know. We could play in a box all day.
Oh, you want it out of the box?